Our buddies at the Cheesecake Factory have just launched a cake merch line. It includes t-shirts, sweatshirts, cups, beach towels, tote bags, and mugs inspired by their iconic brand designs. You know, if you were going to tell me about Cheesecake Factory brand, what does it look like to me? I wouldn't be able to tell you. But, you know, they think they have a brand, so I guess I'll go along with it. They're going to release more merch collections throughout the rest of 2024. You have to be a rewards member to get in on any of this stuff. And you still have to buy it. And when you become a rewards member, you also get perks like online reservations and a free birthday cake cheese slice. Isn't that nice? Now, in addition to the merch, they're also going to offer new menu items.
As if they need new menu items at the Cheesecake Factory.
Jeez Louise. I mean, they've got a lot of stuff. I went there once. I was not impressed. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So they've got a merch line. And it's not, there's nothing groundbreaking over here, but they do have some fun things. Like, and they have some great photography. View all the merch. What's up with these hoodies changing colors? Oh, different colors. Brown or bone. Okay, that makes sense. That's a nice look with a little subtle logo on it. Doesn't say cheesecake on it. It just says, oh, it has cheesecake down the sleeve. Well, it's not very subtle, but it's kind of subtle. It's tone on tone. I like that. What else do we have? Let's look at bags. Oh, I got one of these. See this thing? It says it's in the bag. Thing looks huge, right? But it's not. It's this thing. It's this big. But it's cool because it folds up. Here's the overhead. So here's the bag, and when you, I'm trying to get this unfolded. Come on, dumb thing, unfold. See, it's like its own little envelope, so it unfolds like that. It's all sewn together. Then you unfold it, and it's a big, huge fold-up bag. Kind of cool. So it's kind of nice. If you're going to take a bag to the beach or something, then you have this little pocket. You have this little pocket thing to put stuff in if you want. And you fold it back up and you can put it in that little thing, and that's that. Now the cost on this bad boy, the cost on this thing is, let's see, $18. That's not so bad. I bought one. If you want it, you can have it or whatever. I'll probably give it to my assistant. Amber could use something like that with all her damn kids. Beach towel is really cool. $45 for a beach towel? Not so bad. You know, here's a tip too. When you're doing beach towels, people don't want a big fat logo across the middle. They like the corner thing. They like the small, subtle, deal. Nobody needs a huge, big logo. Nobody wants to be a billboard for you. The mugs are fun. Peace and love. I love that. Slice, slice, baby. That's a good saying. It's clever. That's the way to do it. People are all about clever merch. I mean, the bag with the Cheesecake Factory on the one side, I guess that's okay. But the clever stuff is better. This is my date night shirt. It's a piece of cake. Peace and love. I like that. So yeah, this is real good stuff. The Cheesecake Factory did good. If anything new comes out, we'll be sure to let you know about it. That's all I have for the Cheesecake Factory. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.